Stellarium for Linux. A free open-source planetarium software. It is really easy to run on Linux. We need to download .app image file and run it. Once it is loaded, we can change the location. It shows real-time sky based on the location. Just select any celestial body like stars, planets, and it will show all discovered information about it. Its name, distance, magnitude, rise and set time for the location and other important information. We can select closer bodies like the Moon and zoom in for a better view. By a / or Mars. We can also search for other stars or planets, and it will show their real-time location. Zoom also works for natural satellites. We can update the date and time. And it will show an exact replica of the sky as it will appear based on the given details. There is an option to see all Messier objects. We can zoom out and see the complete sky in a circle. Then, we can return to the original view and remove the Earth. It will display the sky in a sphere. A 360-degree view where objects on the other side of the Earth are also visible. A better view of Sun. We can also go back in time. Days, months, and even years into the past. Back and back. This is a view of the sky from 40,000 years ago. The stars and constellations as seen by early humans. A mobile app of Stellarium is also available. I encourage you to give it a try. You will enjoy it. Thank you for watching.